How critical is confidence in a man's life? Why does it matter? Before we answer that question, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn notifications on to know when Motivate and Inspire publish another video. Now, let's answer that question. Let's delve into this. Confidence, in its simplest form, is the belief in oneself and one's powers or abilities. It's the spark that lights the fire of potential within each of us. But it's more than just a personal trait. It's a fundamental building block of a man's life. Consider a man navigating through the journey of life. Each step he takes, each decision he makes is influenced by his confidence, or at times, the lack thereof. His level of confidence can greatly impact his personal growth and his professional achievements. Imagine a man who believes in his abilities, who carries himself with an air of assurance. He is not afraid to take on challenges, to step outside his comfort zone, to chase his dreams. His confidence fuels his ambition, motivates him to push the boundaries of what's possible. On the flip side, a lack of confidence can be a formidable barrier. A man who doubts his abilities, who second-guesses his decisions, who fears failure, may find himself shying away from opportunities. His potential remains untapped, his dreams unfulfilled. Confidence, therefore, is not merely a personal attribute, it's a cornerstone of a man's life. It shapes his perspective, influences his decisions, and ultimately drives his actions. But it's not just about personal growth. Confidence plays a pivotal role in a man's professional journey as well. A confident man exudes an aura of credibility, of competence. He commands respect, inspires trust. He's more likely to be given opportunities, to be entrusted with responsibilities. His confidence becomes a beacon that draws success towards him. Yet, confidence is not something that comes naturally to everyone. It's not a trait that you're born with, but rather it's something that you cultivate, that you build over time. It's a journey, a process of self-discovery and self-improvement. Confidence, therefore, is not merely a trait, it's a catalyst for success and fulfillment in life. Meet John, a man whose life was revolutionized by a newfound confidence. Once upon a time, our everyman John was not the epitome of confidence that he is today. He was, in fact, quite the opposite. Doubt swirled in his mind like a relentless storm, casting shadows of uncertainty on every aspect of his life. Fear was his constant companion, and he regularly second-guessed himself. He was hesitant to voice his opinions, fearful of rejection, and uncertain about his abilities. John was a man trapped in the shackles of his own self-doubt. But one day, John stumbled upon a realization. He was the author of his own story, the master of his own destiny. It was a profound understanding that he alone held the power to change his life. With this newfound knowledge, John decided to embark on a journey of transformation, a journey towards a more confident self. The road to confidence, however, was not an easy one. John faced many challenges along the way. He battled his inner demons of self-doubt and fear, and each victory, no matter how small, was a step towards his goal. He had to confront his fears, to push past the boundaries he had set for himself. It was uncomfortable, it was daunting, but John was determined. He understood that growth often comes from discomfort, and he was ready to face it head-on. John started taking small steps to boost his confidence. He began by expressing his thoughts and opinions, first in small gatherings, then in larger ones. He started accepting compliments with grace instead of brushing them off. He embraced his strengths and worked on his weaknesses. Most importantly, he stopped comparing himself to others and began appreciating his own unique journey. As he slowly but surely built his confidence, John started noticing changes in his life. He was more assertive, more at ease with himself and others. His relationships improved, as did his work performance. His decision-making skills sharpened, and he was no longer paralyzed by fear or indecision. He started taking risks, stepping out of his comfort zone, and he discovered that he was capable of much more than he had ever imagined. John's transformation didn't just impact his personal life, it also had a profound effect on his professional life. He started voicing his ideas at work, contributing more, and his superiors took notice. He was given more responsibilities, and he handled them with aplomb. His career took a turn for the better, and he was soon climbing the corporate ladder, fueled by his newfound confidence. John's story of transformation is not one of overnight success. It is a story of a man who decided to confront his fears, to change his narrative, to step into his power. It is a story of a man who learned to trust himself, to believe in his capabilities, to embrace his unique journey. It's a story of a man who discovered that confidence is not a trait one is born with, but a skill one can develop. John's life was forever changed when he found confidence. His story serves as a powerful testament to the transformative power of confidence. It's a reminder that we all have the power to change our lives, to overcome our fears, to believe in ourselves. Confidence, as John discovered, is not just about feeling good about ourselves, it's about unlocking our potential, about stepping into our power, about becoming the best version of ourselves. So let us take a leaf out of John's book. Let us confront our fears, challenge our self-doubts, and embark on our own journey towards confidence. For it is through confidence that we can truly transform our lives, just like John did. John's life was forever changed when he found confidence. His story serves as a powerful testament to the transformative power of confidence. Confidence is the secret ingredient that fuels personal growth. And just like a hearty stew, the more of this ingredient you add, the richer the flavor. But what does this mean for a man in the pursuit of becoming the best version of himself? In this journey of personal growth, confidence plays a pivotal role. It is the bedrock on which we build our sense of self, our belief in our abilities, and our courage to take on the world. Imagine, if you will, a man standing at the edge of a cliff, looking out at the vast unknown. It's daunting, isn't it? But with confidence, that same man can view this not as a cliff's edge, but as a launching pad for his journey. Confidence enables a man to face challenges head-on. It's like a shield in the heat of battle, protecting him from the arrows of doubt and insecurity. It's what allows him to stand tall, look adversity in the eye, and say, "I can handle this." Confidence doesn't mean the absence of fear, but the ability to move forward in spite of it. Moreover, confidence inspires a man to take risks. It's the spark that ignites the spirit of entrepreneurship, the audacity to dream big, and the courage to turn those dreams into reality. It pushes him to step out of his comfort zone, to venture into uncharted territories, to learn, to explore, to innovate. And it doesn't stop there. Confidence also fuels a man's evolution. It allows him to recognize his strengths, work on his weaknesses, and continuously strive for self-improvement. It encourages him to seek feedback, to learn from his mistakes, and to never stop growing. In essence, confidence is the driving force behind a man's personal growth. It's not just about feeling good about oneself, but about believing in one's ability to learn, adapt, and overcome. It's about realizing that the only limits that exist are the ones we set for ourselves. With confidence, a man is equipped to grow, evolve, and become the best version of himself. It's not just a trait, it's a journey, a process, a way of life. So let's take this journey together, one confident step at a time. In the professional world, confidence is a game changer. We've all seen it. That individual who walks into a room and instantly commands attention. It's not just about their physical appearance or their title. It's a certain quality they exude, an aura of self-assuredness that's palpable. This, dear listeners, is the power of confidence. In the realm of professional success, confidence plays an integral role. It's the silent partner in every negotiation, the invisible hand guiding presentations, and the secret weapon behind impactful decisions. Confidence is not just about feeling good about oneself, but rather it's the belief in one's abilities to accomplish a task successfully. Imagine for a moment, you're in a meeting and you have a groundbreaking idea. If you lack confidence, you might keep it to yourself, fearing judgment or rejection. But with confidence, you would boldly share your thoughts, potentially sparking innovation and progress. This is the difference that confidence can make. Now let's talk about leadership. Leadership isn't just about telling others what to do. It's about inspiring others, making tough decisions, and taking responsibility. To do this effectively, confidence is key. A confident leader can motivate their team, drive performance, and steer their organization towards success. In the labyrinth of workplace complexities, confidence acts as a compass. It helps navigate through challenging situations, difficult conversations, and high-pressure scenarios. It's that unshakable belief in oneself that turns challenges into stepping stones towards success. Moreover, confidence leaves a lasting impression. It's what sets you apart in job interviews, client meetings, or networking events. People are naturally drawn to confident individuals, seeing them as reliable, capable, and inspiring. So whether it's stepping up to a leadership role, making your voice heard in meetings, or navigating workplace challenges, confidence is your ally. It's the fuel that propels you forward, the wind beneath your professional wings. Remember, confidence is not about knowing everything. It's about having the courage to take risks, make mistakes, and learn from them. It's about embracing the unknown and trusting in your ability to figure things out. Confidence, therefore, is a critical tool for professional advancement. Confidence is not innate. It can be nurtured and developed. Just like a muscle, confidence can be strengthened with the right exercises and mindset. So, how can you build the pillar of confidence? Let's dive into some practical tips. Firstly, setting and achieving small goals is a powerful way to build confidence. Begin with attainable tasks that can be accomplished within a day or a week. It could be as simple as reading a chapter of a book or taking a walk every morning. Each time you achieve a goal, no matter how small, you're proving to yourself that you can. This is the foundation of self-trust, and self-trust is the cornerstone of confidence. Secondly, maintaining a positive mindset is crucial. It's important to be aware of the language we use in our internal dialogue. If we constantly belittle ourselves, our confidence will naturally shrink. Instead, let's encourage ourselves, celebrate our victories, and learn from our setbacks without criticism. Remember, every experience, whether positive or negative, is an opportunity for growth. Embracing challenges is another powerful strategy to build confidence. Challenges push us out of our comfort zones, and it's in these moments that we grow the most. Instead of shying away from challenges, let's view them as opportunities. Each challenge we overcome is a testament to our resilience and capability, thereby bolstering our confidence. Lastly, surround yourself with positive influences. The people we spend time with can greatly influence our self-perception. Surround yourself with individuals who uplift you, challenge you, and believe in you. Their positive energy can help fuel your journey towards building confidence. Remember, confidence isn't about never having doubts or fears. It's about trusting yourself to handle whatever comes your way. It's about acknowledging your weaknesses and still choosing to believe in your abilities. Building confidence is a journey, but with perseverance and the right approach, it's a journey that any man can embark on. So, let's embark on this journey together, one small step at a time. The impact of confidence in a man's life is profound and far-reaching. It's the spark that lights the fire of potential, the wind that sails the ship of ambition, and the foundation that supports the structure of success. It's not just an attribute, it's a game changer. Let's take a quick walk down the memory lane to revisit what we've explored in this enlightening journey. We started with understanding the power of confidence, how it's not just a state of mind, but a state of being, a state of living. It's that unwavering faith in oneself that fuels resilience, perseverance, and ultimately success. Then we dove into the transformative story of John, a story that beautifully illustrated the magic of confidence. A story that showed us how a man, once shackled by self-doubt and fear, broke free and soared high on the wings of confidence. It was confidence that turned John's life around, and it's confidence that can turn yours around too. We also explored the intimate relationship between confidence and personal growth. Confidence, as we discovered, acts as a catalyst for personal development. It pushes us to step out of our comfort zones, to take risks, to learn, to grow. It's the key that unlocks the door to self-improvement. Moving on to professional success, we saw how confidence is not just desirable, but essential. It's the secret ingredient that spices up your performance, that makes you stand out in a crowd. It's the driving force that propels you towards your professional goals. And of course, we discussed how to build confidence. It's not an overnight process, but a journey. A journey that involves self-love, self-acceptance, and self-improvement. A journey that's challenging, but rewarding. Confidence is not just about believing in oneself. It's about unlocking potential, seizing opportunities, and creating a fulfilling and successful life. It's about being the best version of yourself. So folks, let's embrace confidence, let's embrace success. Remember, the world is your oyster and confidence is the pearl within. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. See you next time on Motivate and Inspire.